When you create an ad online, you're typically highlighting a problem and then offering a solution. If it resonates enough, someone will click on it and be taken to an offer page. Perhaps you've heard these referred to as landing pages or sales pages or even a squeeze page. But typically, in the world of real estate, you're offering some sort of list of homes or some other content of value, whether it's a seller's guide or a buyer's guide. But what you're doing is offering content of value in exchange for contact information. But what's important to highlight is that over 63% of online leads won't be ready to move for at least 3 months. Said differently, more than 6 in 10 of online leads will require some type of follow-up. But most agents don't like to follow up. And what happens is one of two things. Either 60% of every advertising dollar and lead they have will go to the trash, and mind you, those people will be moving someday and they will be contacting an agent. But what the smart agent will do is at least put those leads into their CRM, and based on the types of homes they want, they'll assign some sort of email alert or a drip campaign if they're unsuccessful in being able to contact them. But in either case, why not do something different and turn that follow-up into video?